everybody, Ultimate Outdoors here. Just want to do a quick update video for you guys. Let you know what's going on in my world and get you up to date on stuff. What you see behind me, the video behind me, is some video from my drone. I did a little bit of drone work over top of some of the lakes here in Theresa. The video is actually posted on Ultimate Outdoors too. Now, if you guys haven't ever seen that channel, it's just a small channel I started. Trying to switch over some of my outdoor stuff. Actually get back into doing more of the outdoor stuff. The hunting and fishing and some of that kind of stuff. And maybe separating it a little bit from Ultimate Outdoors here, which is mostly ATVing. So if you guys want, I'll put a link down below to Ultimate Outdoors too. You can go there, please subscribe, check it out. I got a few videos on there. Hopefully over time I'll be posting more and more of some of the hunting and fishing and trapping, maybe if I get time. Time's short when you're working full-time, editing, filming, doing all this kind of stuff. So I'm doing what I can do, but really like to get back into the outdoor stuff. So videos like this right here, drone work, stuff like that, check them out. Ultimate Outdoors too. Like I said, I'll put a link down below. But what's going on now? I just had a good hunt season so far. Wasn't seeing a lot of deer, but I just killed a nice 8-point 2 nights ago. Didn't get any video of it. Did a lot of sitting, not seeing a whole lot of deer at times. But I can show you the video, show you the deer here in just a minute. But I'll give you a little tour of this shop. This shop is not totally set up yet. Kind of a mess. I just throw stuff in here and not really get it organized or anything like that. But let's go out and take a look at that. I'll show you my deer that I shot a couple nights ago. Take a look at that. And mostly this shop here is I got my traps where I do my skinning, cutting up meat, anything like that, and get it ready to take into the house to do the final processing and stuff. But let's go out and take a look at the shop. Just some shelves. I'm still trying to rearrange stuff, put stuff where it goes, make a home for it or whatever. But lots of room out here. There's a few mounts left out here. These are my dad's. There's a nice 8-point there, and a caribou. I don't have these over in the other shop yet, but anyways, this is a little workshop in here. This here, there's, whoa, blurry. There, we're back. This is my Kodiak 2002. This one I bought brand new in 2002. You've probably seen it in some of my videos. This is my workhorse. This one here hauls all my wood out. Any kind of work I do around the yard, anything. This is the workhorse. It's got a carburetor sticking right now, so we gotta get the carburetor off it and go through it and get her going. But this is my workhorse. Meat cutting table. It's filled with I don't know why this is blurry, but here. Okay, yeah, old fishing reels, stuff like that, trapping tools, and fur handling tools. We got a meat grinder down here, stainless pans, a meat slicer, the cutting table. Got a skinning table here, sort of. This table comes down right here. It's folded up. This comes down. This is where I do some of my cutting up too. But let's go through this door. Check out the deer. There he is, 8-point. Weighed 280 pounds. 281. Yeah, 281. I wish. 181 pounds he weighed when I weighed him on the scale. But nice buck. I'm thinking tomorrow night I'll get him skinned out. I got a winch up there. It's how I winch him up. Makes it easier for skinning. You can lower it and raise it and do all that kind of stuff or whatever. But as you can see, got my traps. Traps are all hung up out here. Haven't done much trapping in the last few years. Hopefully I start getting more time and get back into it. thinking this is one from a couple of years ago. There, and there's my one from last year. Not real big, but this is the best one I've shot in quite a while. So Jiffy ice auger, got the ice fishing stuff over here, outdoor stuff. But anyways, that's the buck. Had a good day the other day. Sat about 4 hours in a tree stand. He come out just before dark, so that worked out good. Here's my freezer. That's where I keep some of the varmints. There's a coyote in there. A friend of mine shot him last weekend, threw him in the freezer. We get enough coyotes in there, fur bearers, we'll run them over to the buyer. I haven't done much skinning in the last few years. Just as easy to take them over there and sell them on the carcass as it is with what little time I have to do the skinning and fur handling. So got a wood stove out here. I have not used the wood stove. It's all set up, ready to go. Dad built all this, installed it. I don't know how much he used it. I'm sure he used it years ago, but there's an actual upstairs of this building too. Nice upstairs. I got the hatch shut to keep the heat down here, but building works pretty good. Someday I get the wood stove fired up. I'm going to spend a day out here doing stuff. If I ever get time where I'm trapping full time and stuff, that wood stove will come in handy for drying fur and doing that kind of stuff. So hopefully someday I get back into that. Thing that I want to share with you before I wrap this video up. You know, the election going on, it looks like Trump's not going to be the president next 4 years. Who knows in the future what's going to happen, but looks like Joe Biden's going to be our president for how long, I'm not sure what's going to go on here, but not into the politics. But anyways, on his website for Joe Biden, he wants to ban online gun sales, ammo, gun kits, and all that kind of stuff. Part of his gun control thing. If the Senate wins, the majority might not have to worry about it, but who knows? So I said, what the hell? I went and ordered an AR kit, the 5.56, and I wanted to show it with you, share it with you, let you take a look at it. I'll be assembling this gun, putting it together, and add it to my collection so they can go out and do some shooting, whatever I want to do. I do have one now that's got night vision on it for coyote hunting at night. Hopefully I'm going to try to make some videos of the night vision hunting. The scope I have, the ATN scope, does record. My buddy Jason right now, he does coyote hunting a lot more than I do. He's the one that kind of got me into it. He's got the thermal scope, and he's been shooting some coyotes already at night. So I'm going to try to film it, see what we can do. It's all pitch black. This camera right now that I'm using has infrared. I'm not sure how well it'll work, but up close stuff should work. So we'll have to try it out and see what happens. But all right, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please check out Ultimate Outdoors too. Like I said, the link down below. Click on it, check it out. If you like it, please subscribe, share it. Hopefully I can start getting more outdoor videos on there, doing different kinds of stuff. I hope to do some ice fishing this year, maybe some trapping, and we're going to get into hopefully the night hunting coyotes. I want to thank everybody for watching. Stay safe out there. Watch out for this COVID crap or whatever the hell's going on. Hopefully these vaccines come out. We will be back to normal here in the spring. Let's hope. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later.